What if the money in your bank is quietly losing its power every single day? What if the biggest investors in the world are already moving away from currencies? And what if the real battle for wealth is no longer happening in banks, but deep beneath the earth? Because right now, capital is returning to metals. We are living through a silent transformation. Currencies are being diluted. Debt is reaching historic levels, and global tensions are reshaping trade, energy, and power. In times like this, investors don't look for growth first. They look for survival. Throughout history, when confidence in money weakens, capital flows into something real, something scarce, something that cannot be printed: metals. Metals are not just assets. They are the foundation of civilization. Every building depends on them. Every power grid, every device depends on them. Unlike stocks, metals exist in the physical world. They require effort, time, and capital to extract, and that makes them powerful. Because in a world of uncertainty, scarcity becomes value. They are the ultimate insurance. Gold is not just a metal, it is trust. In its purest form, it has survived empires. When investors lose confidence in currencies, they move into gold. When markets become unstable, they move into gold. When the future becomes uncertain, they move into gold. It is the world's oldest currency. But here's the truth most people miss. Gold doesn't make you rich. It protects you from becoming poor. It is not an asset of growth. It is an asset of survival. It is the anchor in the storm. Silver lives in two worlds. It is both a precious metal and an industrial necessity. It moves with fear, but also with innovation. Solar energy, electronics, and technology depend on it. And that creates something unique: volatility. Silver is the more explosive sibling of gold. Silver can rise faster than gold, but it can also fall harder. It is not for safety, it is for opportunity. If gold reflects fear, copper reflects life. It powers cities, it builds infrastructure, it connects the world. And now, it is becoming even more critical. Electric vehicles, energy transition, global electrification, all of it requires copper. But here's the problem. Supply is not keeping up with this new demand. When demand rises faster than supply, prices don't just increase, they explode. We are facing a shortage: lithium, nickel, cobalt, rare earth elements. These are the building blocks of the future. From smartphones to electric cars, these metals are at the center of a new economic era. But here's the danger. The more hype a metal has, the more dangerous it becomes for investors. The future can be real, but the price you pay for it can still be wrong. Caution is required. Metals are not just about economics. They are about power, where they are mined and who controls them. A single political decision can disrupt global supply. A single conflict can send prices soaring. This is not just investing, this is geopolitics. The map is being redrawn, and metals are the ink. Smart investors don't chase metals. They position themselves. They understand cycles and think in scenarios. Gold for protection, copper for growth, strategic metals for the future. They diversify exposure. The goal is not to predict the market. The goal is to survive it. And preparation is everything. The world is changing. Money is evolving. Power is shifting. And uncertainty is rising. But there is a constant, something real, something that has held value for thousands of years: metals. Are you prepared? The investors who understand this are not chasing trends. They are preparing for what comes next. If you want to stay ahead of global financial shifts, subscribe to the Earn IQ. We break down the future. In our next video, we will break down how to actually invest in metals step by step. You don't want to miss it. Deep financial intelligence starts here. See you in the next one. Stay ahead.